Hey, I'm Shay and welcome to my video here today. And in this video, I want to show you a brand new campaign that's already making over $300 a day. And part of what I do every single day is teach my students how to make money online. I enjoy putting together multiple campaigns basically every single week, and what I do is basically pass them over to my students so they can go run their own campaigns themselves. And right now, I actually want to show you the exact campaign that I recently showed my students just the other day, so you can actually see for yourself the earnings of what a really successful campaign that has actually taken off really fast. And again, if you know what you are doing, you'll already know how to do what I'm about to show you, but maybe you are trying to make your first bit of money online. Maybe you haven't even made any money yet. Well, that's what I can help you with. So I'm just going to jump into the first network here, and I actually use 3 for this specific campaign that I'm talking about. Okay, the Make Money Online campaign that is already making $300 a day. So let me just run through these 3 networks for you. And as you can see, today we're in May. Alright, so it's May now, and it's the 11th today when I'm recording this video. As you can see, I've just got it on those dates, and I actually only just started this campaign, as I said at the start of this video, just a few days ago. So I started the reports here on the 8th. Alright, so I've got the 8th to the 11th, and we're only about halfway through today, just before lunchtime in fact. And as you can see, so far today, just up to $72 has been made so far. I'm getting paid on this particular day today, $6 even per click. And as I say that, I probably haven't even explained anything about that. And yes, just to make it short, I am getting paid for generating clicks. Okay, so it's something really perhaps unique, something you may have never heard of before, or if you have heard of it, maybe you've never ran any click generating Make Money Online campaigns for yourself. Well, this is something that, again, I show my students all the time. It's basically a daily basis now at this point, and it's really cool. I mean, honestly, there's nothing easier than, getting paid for generating clicks to make money online. And as you can see, I only, so far today, have only pushed 12 clicks. So, 12 times 6, right there, $72 made. Yesterday, it was a little bit different, $6.30 per click, 14 clicks sent. And as you can see, $88.20. Alright, so I just want to jump over now to the next network here. And as you can see, I've got the same date set. Alright, so from the 8th of May to the 11th of May today. So the previous network I was getting paid around $6 a click. In this one, the average is about $4.74 per click on the 10th. So just yesterday, it was up to $5.15 per click. And I actually run all of these networks together. Basically, I send the exact same traffic source and I spread that traffic source out amongst all of these networks. So I'm just going to jump over to the final network here that I'm running at the same time as the other 2. And I'll actually just expand these 2 right here, these 2 offers within this one network. So we can see the dates again now, same dates again set from the 8th of May to today, the 11th of May. And, this one really actually proves that, I'm getting paid for clicks. Because as you can see, for example, today in this offer so far, I've sent 105 clicks and it's made 105 sales. So, for example, if you were getting paid for leads or generating full sales, actual purchase sales, you would have, say if you had a 10% conversion rate on 100 clicks or 100 visitors, you'd have about, 10 actual sales here in the sales column. But As you can see, it's 100% conversion, and it's even across the board here. As you can see, some of the click payouts a little bit lower actually in this network, although it was converting really well for me, so I pushed a little more traffic to this one. $1.90 per click on the 9th, and with this different offer same day, $2.03 per click there, and we have a total of 702. So if you add all these networks together, it's around $300 a day. And I mean, that's if you were counting all 4 days like completed. And as I said, we're only halfway through, so you could actually say it's more than that. It's only roughly 3.5 days so far. But I really just wanted to show you this campaign to hopefully motivate you as well as it does for my students, you know, just to keep motivating them and proving to them that if you know what you are doing or you have someone to show you what to do, you are able to make money online. It just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of effort from both someone such as yourself and the person helping you. That person has to give you a little bit of time as well to really show you what to do on a daily basis. And you know what? This is exactly what I do for my students. I enjoy working closely with them to really make sure they start making money online. Because, I mean, of course, essentially that's what this is all about. And what I'm going to do right now for a limited amount of time at this stage, I'm going to open up everything that I'm doing for you as well. Okay, so if you want to see what my students see, and I don't mean just the reports, the earnings of a campaign like this, I mean the inner workings of the campaign, where the traffic is coming from, how my pages are set up, how I run my traffic funnels and handle the traffic to actually make this kind of money really quickly in only a few days. If you want to know how I am doing it, and you are serious about wanting to know how in the world I'm doing this, then I'm going to give you the opportunity to get in right now and see for yourself. And to get access right now, all you have to do is take action and click the link in the description. So at the very top of the description for this video, I'm going to have a link, okay? So just click that link. It's going to just be a really short bit.ly link, so click that, jump over to my site, and I will actually also show you my site just so you can see what to do when you get there. Okay, so here on my site, and it's just really simple. There's only a couple steps here to do. So as you can see, just clearly enter in your best email address here in the field, and then just click the Get Instant Access button. Okay, so 2 really simple steps. Then there's just one last thing to do, and that is to go check the email address that you just typed in and entered on my site. Okay, so go have a look at that inbox. Go check that inbox in just a short time. I'm going to be sending you my welcome email that is going to help you get started right now today. Okay, so it's really important that you do that. Take advantage of this again while I have this open. Go look for my welcome email as soon as you've entered your email on my site. I'm going to get you started really quickly today. And if you have any questions, just reply to my welcome email as well. I'll get back to you there. So, thanks very much for watching my video today here, and I look forward to working with you soon.